yesterday, sir, with the Parliamentary Affairs Minister and the leader of the House Parliamentary Affairs Minister, you were present. All our members from here were present. Sir, we referred a proposal to the government. You were there with us, sir, to let us get into a discussion on the urgent need to discuss electoral reform. They can do in whichever wording they want. Let us begin a discussion, because that is the need of 15 opposition parties this side. And let us have a fruitful discussion on this and let the House run. Just 1 minute, sir. Ek second. Sir, we gave this proposal in your presence. In your presence, Congress party was there, DMK was there, all of us, the Trinamool was there, all of us were there. And we agreed that whatever the wording be on electoral reform, we can have a discussion. The government was supposed to come back to us. Nobody has come back, but we are ready, sir, for a discussion here and now, and no one wants to disrupt this House, sir.
Yeah, I will ask the Parliamentary Minister to respond.
Derek O'Brien just mentioned, it is fact that yesterday in the Business Advisory Committee, I had given assurance that I will come back with the decision taken on the matter. However, I also had a request that if you have additional matter to be given, because it is opposition means not only 4 parties, there are many parties. However,
12 parties here will want a discussion on election reform.
What is his name? No, sir. He is the Honorable Minister. No. The Honorable Minister is responding. No, dividing opposition. Oh, 1 minute.
I have no interest in dividing you.
No. He is responding. He is telling he is coming back. He is not saying no.